Hi, this is a 12-in-1 docking station. Originally, I want to buy a USB 3.1 hub because of the 3.1 Gen 2 ports in the most PCs in the back. So I want to buy a hub, but I found this one. It's interesting. So let's open it up. Docking station. Okay. Okay, this is the cable. It comes with a Type C to Type C cable. Okay, these two ports are USB 3.1 Gen 2. These two ports are USB 3.0. And also Type C is also supports 10 gigabit per second. This is a host connected to the PC. Back here, you can see HDMI and the DP. Both support 4K display, 60 Hertz 4K. This is a card reader. The PD port. It's 100 watts. If you can connect any phone for fast charging. Okay, I have connected this docking station to the PC. Let me turn on the PC. I will use this one for testing. The inside the Samsung A70QUO. Connect this to the docking station right here. Okay, connected. I transfer this big file to here. .465 megabytes per second. That's equals 3.6 to 3.7 megabit per second. It's not bad. Okay, actually the Samsung A70, the speed limit is about 500 megabytes per second. So that's very close. Now next I will test the M.2 drive. Okay, I connect the M.2 drive. This is a Western Digital SN750 in this enclosure. Copy this file to here. .780, 760. That's about 6 gigabit per second. Now it dropped down to 400 something. The speed little bit slow. Okay, now let's try display. I'm going to connect the HDMI and the DP both. Here I try the display connection. I don't have a laptop, so I use a Huawei Mate 10 Pro. It works. Here, see, dual monitor. It goes. So move here to watch YouTube. Okay, now it's full screen video. Okay, I have tested the USB 3.1 Gen 2 connection. The speed is not very good, but I think it's okay. And also I tried DP and HDMI. That docking station is I think I paid $35, so it's worth the money. But if it's $100 or something, that's I'm not going to buy. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.